Hello everyone, this is Monica and today I am going to show you how we can activate IOBIT uninstaller free for lifetime. So before starting my video, I would like to tell you to please ignore the background noise as some sort of construction work is going on. So let us start. We need to first install the IOBIT uninstaller, and before installing it obviously we need to download it. And for downloading the IOBIT uninstaller, just open your Chrome or you can open any browser. Just type here download IOBIT uninstaller. Here you can see the official website of for downloading this software will come. We will download it from here. Now here you can see the latest version for this is 10.1.0, which is of 23.6 MB. If you will click here on free download, the download will get start. I already have this software downloaded with me, so I will not download it. I will just cut this tab as I don't need this tab now. Here, as you can see, I already have this file, IOBIT uninstaller. I will double click on it. Now, after clicking on yes, this window will come. Here click on install. Here I don't want to install these extra files, so I will skip this. Now the installation has been started. Now here, after the installation has been started, in the middle we can see that the icon has been come on the desktop by default. Okay. Now here you can see after the 100% installation has been done, this one will come. Now I will click on no thanks as I don't want to subscribe to IOBIT newsletter. Click on finish. I will close this tab. Here as you can see the IOBIT uninstaller has been installed successfully, but it is not yet activated now. So in order to activate this, let us follow these steps that I am going to follow. So but before following this, we need to first make sure that our antivirus has been disabled. Okay, so if it is not disabled, you can disable it from here. I'm showing you the steps for that too. Click on settings. In settings, just click on update and security. Here click on Windows security. Here you will see the option virus and threat protection. Click on that. Now you need to click on manage settings. Here you can see the real-time protection is on. We need to turn it off. After clicking on yes, you will see it has been turned off. So after the activation software, we will just turn it on. Okay. After that, nothing will happen to the activated product. We will minimize it, or you can cut the tab also. Now here let us minimize this too. Now here is a file. Okay, I will just share the link of this file. You can download it from there, and I will just unzip it now. It has been unzipped now. So now click on fix. Here you can see three options. So before doing anything to this, we will just make sure first that if there is any background process going on of IOBIT uninstaller, we need to close that first also. Okay. So for that, just go to taskbar, right click on this. Here click on task manager. Now in the task manager, you can see their files. Okay. So we will search for IOBIT files. Here you can see the iObit file here. Just click on this, click on end task. Okay. Now we will see some more files if it is going on of iObit uninstaller. Then we will click on this also. We will click on end task. Okay. We will search for some more. Here you can see one more file we have got. Just end it too. Okay. If there are any other file you will found of iObit uninstaller, just you need to end that task. Okay. Now just close it. Now you need to copy these three files, which is one is application file, one is BPL file, and one is application extension file. Just copy it. Okay. Right click on this, click on copy. Now what you need to do is just go to this shortcut. Okay. Right click on this, and here you have to go to the open file location. Okay. You can see the folder has been opened where the file has been situated. You need to paste those three files from the fixed folder here. Okay, just paste it. Click on paste. Here you will see, click on replace the files in the destination. You need to click on first do this for all the current items and click continue. Now you can see these files has been pasted successfully. These three files has been replaced with the previous file which is present here. We will close this tab. We will close this too. Now just simply double click on iObit uninstaller. Oops. And now here you can see the activate now option has been removed as it has been activated successfully and it is for lifetime and free. So now the iObit uninstaller 10.1 has been installed successfully and has been activated also successfully for free and for lifetime. You can follow this file for any iObit uninstaller version. This is not mandatory for 10.1. You can do this for any lower version or any upcoming latest version. For that too you can use these files. Alright. So this is all about how we can download, install and activate iObit uninstaller 10.1 free for lifetime. Hope you all have liked my video and don't forget to click on the like button, share button and subscribe button. So if you will subscribe my channel, you will get the notification of my next upcoming video which I am going to share it soon. So till then, bye bye, take care.